I'm second truck in line this morning. Got rain beating down on us. It's sprinkling a little bit now. You see it on the windshield. Oh, it's raining pretty good right now. We got, oh look, she's running off the cab. Oh man. These stupid straps. Ignorant. I hate these things. I hate straps. Hate's a strong word, but I'm using it. Oh, we're getting ready to get it. Boy, we're getting it.
If not, yeah, we'll have to move. I mean, it wouldn't take me long. I just need to pop the axles loose like I did last night and take a look inside there. I had one of the bearing nuts come off, and it was just kind of rolling around on the axle in there, and yeah. The only thing that kept the nut on there, the inside nut, was the little the safety key in there, and it was about to come off anyway. But yeah, that was part of the wobble I had going on in this truck.
Holy cow. That could have been bad.
Yeah, it could have got real interesting real quick.
That's why God gave you 16 more wheels, because you lose them. And I hate to be a crybaby.
Yeah, it only takes about, I don't know, 10 minutes to pop that axle out and check everything and tighten it up if anything's wrong with it. So, about per axle. I only got 3 left.
And I hate to be a baby, but I'm not.
Yeah, Tater, that damn nut was spinning around there. God knows how long. It didn't have any threads left on that nut. The backside of that nut was all wore down. They had that little gear-looking thing you bend the tabs over to hold the nut from spinning back off. I guess whoever put the bearings in this thing didn't fold them tabs back over. Derek said he's never touched his rear end, so I'm guessing it was beforehand. But yeah, he didn't bend them tabs down to keep that nut from coming loose, so I'd like to check the rest of it, make sure none of them are going to come off.
Copy. I hate to be a ball bag, but I'm gonna be it. I'm gonna tell you what, this ain't my first rodeo. I'm telling you, as a kid, I wrote, can you see me? Dang, don't it? Can't see crap in here. Let me do this. That helped? That didn't help much. But as a kid, I weld on these sunbucking trailers my whole life.
Hey, Tater.
Yeah. It's all coming.
It's starting to rain.
One more, yeah.
Copper.
So anyways, I weld on these sunbucking trailers.
Figured you needed a heads up.
I'll turn around. As a kid, I weld on these sunbucking trailers. Oh my God, they wore you out welding on, welding on, welding on, welding on. They make these things jump, I'm telling you, jump. And the only thing life got good is when we started making our own. When we started making them babies, you didn't touch them. You thumped on them, you beat on them, you ran through cycles, cycle, no problems. Just wear items. And you get one of these, and then I'm not gouging pits are a good trailer for the price. You know, they keep the price down, they keep the trailer, you know, but son of a buck, you pay for it, own it. You pay for it, own it. But they're designed for the pine, you know, industry. And we're not pine, we're hardwood. Our trailers have to be made different. But I'm gonna tell you right now, them trailers right there, you don't touch them. And they're not heavy. That's like a 12,000 pound trailer. In a hardwood trailer, that's pretty good weight. That's about 12,000 pound trailer, 40 footer, and you don't touch it. You do not touch it. You just pull it and check your wear items. So we got a trailer like this thing back here. All I can see is just, oh gosh, all I can see is labor. It's labor. You know, it's a fine looking trailer, and then old boy took a good job of taking care of it, and he kept his maintenance up and everything, but it's just hard for me to fall in love with a daggone thing, because when you got something like that, when you can make them, and you got to spend money, and what I gave old boy for this trailer, 14 grand. What I gave him for this trailer, I could have built that, but I ain't got the time. So catch-23 situation. So it are what it are, driver. It are what it are. But it's hard for me to feel good about it. I like it, pulls good, and it's a good trailer for somebody, but it ain't a good trailer for me. I hate them freaking straps. God, I hate everything on that thing. Then daggone trailer's there, lickety split, bam, boom, bang, you're done, you're rolling. You know, cycle. This thing, you dick around, you screw around, you mess around, you screw around, you mess around, screw around, then you gotta go to the shop, weld up some stuff, and then this gets bent and that gets tore off. Skidder gets against it. We had one pit trailer one time. Skidder got against it, buckled the whole front end of it, back end up underneath. Alrighty. We'll catch you on the flip hole, buddy. But it just dadgum. I told Mom it's just hard to get excited about a daggone trailer, and you should. You made a purchase. We got a good price. That old boy gave us a good price on a good fair price. He did great. And he took care of the trailer, and he calls the trailer honey. It pulls good. He calls his trailer honey. And you don't want to change it.
I'm looking at this double hard you had me to throw out. Same decision I made yesterday. It's got so damn much good long lumber on each side. I think they're going to have to deal with it.
Well, Rob used to kill me on it. He said it screws in them crotches, ruins them bands. I don't know, it's something you have to hash out with Derek. He says it's worse in poplar than it is in the others because you run faster poplar, I guess, or whatever. I don't know.
Well, when they get one like that, they're supposed to be throwing it on the head direction. It ain't supposed to go to the back.
Gobber, call it on the hood, Rob. Look at the slime. Derek's just going to make it out, man. It's just going to make it out before it comes. Make sure I got my diffy locked in. Want that job on the dash here a second. Coming out good, buddy. Oh, yeah.
How about it, Chris? Are you getting real close? How about it, get sleepy? Come in, sleepy. Load the truck on the blacktop.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I got out just the nick of time, Derek. I didn't want to get you mud on my show truck.
You ain't gonna let that go, is it?
Oh no, we're gonna ride this horse till it's dead. Then I'm gonna revive it, get him back up, give him CPR, and then ride it again.
I think he already paid it for him. And we'll have to call it the Root Beer Express.
They're just jealous. They're jealous of my bird. 2019 Bobtail champion. That's what they're just jealous of my bird. My big old bird, man. And I'd be jealous of it too.
Okay, Bill, you want to go ahead and go on down? John, you're probably going to need the dozer down there to get us back out of there.
It's wet. Got wet quick. I don't know about this. He's probably going to be a little grumpy, Chris, but you probably want to talk to him before you start down in there. He may cut you off. I don't know.
No.
She hit, boys. She hit.